Like I said, I always receive a lot of emails from you guys every single day about watch on a wallet, how to recover watch on a wallet. Okay, and then I need to speed it out to you guys right here and right now to make sure you understand, because whenever I say you guys should watch my video to the end or something, you don't normally watch it because you are in a rush to get scammed. All right, now this is the thing here. Okay, let me adjust my camera a little bit. Now, watch on a wallet can never ever be broken by anybody. Okay, it can never ever be recovered. It can never ever be recovered. Okay, now the funny thing is, watch on a wallet is created out of the random address, receiver address that we use in receiving crypto, which is a public address. That's what watch on a wallet is created out of. So if someone gives you a receiver, a public receiver address, and then they tell you that there's money inside, there's coin inside, and then they tell you how to import it to trust wallet, and then import it using address section into your trust wallet, and then you see huge amount of money inside, and you think it's your own or it's recoverable, you must be deceiving yourself. Okay, because that is not recoverable. Number one. Number two, now you can only recover a watch on a wallet that you have the 12k recovery phrase to. This is what I mean by that. Okay, you have a watch on a wallet, and then you decided to create, you have a wallet, okay, you have a multi-coin wallet, and you have your crypto inside, and then you decide to copy your address, your crypto address, and then import it as an address wallet, and you paste the address. Now your crypto will reflect, but you can't withdraw from it. Now the only way you can re-import that, or you can recover that, is for you to get your recovery phrase and import it back. But you cannot, someone cannot give you just an address of to a watch on a wallet, and then you go and create another wallet and you try to use that recovery phrase to import your own watch on a wallet. It doesn't work that way. I'm seeing a lot of channel with over 40k views, over 50k views, telling you that there is a software. There's no fucking software anywhere. I go to YouTube right here, and then you search how to recover watch on a wallet. Now you see all this video right here, they're all scams. All right, I've gone through most of them. You could see that there is really showing that I've watched them. They're all scam. And then look at this one here. Some of them put up the comment section. Oh, that's a bit scam. Now and this one's about 14k watch hours, and you see all these people commenting here. They are all partner in crime. All of them are partner in crime. They are all doing the same scam. This person shows you his wallet, and then goes on to create a watch on a wallet, and then this as if he withdrew from it. It's not true. And this other first person here telling you to buy a software and telling you the link in the description that you have to buy his software. Let me show you guys. It's a link in the description. You have to buy his software, or you send him email or Instagram DM. They're all scam. Now the one that particularly spoiled this particular video is this particular one right here. That someone contacted me that he paid somebody, all right, and he paid the person, and after the person received payment, they are no longer responding. So you can't recover from watch on a wallet. It's not your wallet. You cannot. All right, I'll help you to do that. And most of you will see this video and must have skipped before you get to this point. Say skip to look for another. There's no way, you can't find solution. And I see people getting scammed every single day. Okay, there are most of you that send me message that want to commit suicide or one or two things because you've been scammed about $70-something thousand, $50,000, $30,000, and you guys cannot pay $30 to learn a simple course. All right, which is very bad. Okay, now this is another thing here. Now you see a trader, people come to you, they say they are company, they are traders, they are going to trade money, they are crypto for you, and they are going to be super rich. And then at the end of the day, they give you the watch on a wallet. If you fall into the categories where a trader give you an address and tell you that they are going to, that this is your profit, I'm sorry, you've been scammed. All right, that's just the absolute truth. You've been scammed. And these traders will, what they do, it's a particular pattern. It doesn't change. What they do is they'll tell you to pay to trust wallet, or they'll tell you to pay to 𝗕𝗡𝗧𝗏. Either they are impersonating trust wallet, they are impersonating 𝗕𝗡𝗧𝗏, or they are impersonating Binance, or they are impersonating any big body, and then they'll tell you that you have to pay to them for about $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 for them to send the key to your wallet. Perhaps if they did have it, they would have used it themselves and not released it to you. That's one thing you should know. Secondly, if they did have it, okay, they will remove the money themselves. They will remove the whatever fee from inside before they give you the key to the rest. Okay, that's another thing. And let me let you know, Coinbase will not request money from you. KuCoin will not. Trust Wallet will never ever send you an email requesting money from you, or MetaMask itself, they don't do that. All right, so please and please and please, if you're watching this video and you've gotten to this point, stop getting scammed. If you must trade, if you are giving money to traders to trade for you, then you're just making yourself available to be scammed, because most of those traders people are giving money to, you don't even know them from Adam, and then you are just giving them money, and when they request for one money, you give them another one, you give them another one, and you've not gotten even your capital back, and then you keep giving them. All right, that's another thing that you guys do that really amazed me. I wonder if people really reason before you do some of this stuff. All right, now these traders will never return your money, okay, and they are never ever probably not trading. Okay, now if you must trade, you can learn the smallest trading, which is very simple. It's either you do spot trading or you do future trading. To do spot trading is just simple, and the risk level is almost zero, because if you start a spot trading and let's say you decide to trade a particular crypto, if that crypto does not give you the profit as at the time you started trading it, you can leave it for some time. No matter what happens, when the crypto go bullish, it will definitely give you profit. The only part of the trading that is a bit risky is when you're trading let's say future. And I've uploaded all this video in my channel. So if you are watching this video right now, before you click away, please just hit subscription button, so that you'll be getting this update, you're getting this trading tutorials, and they are not hard, they are very simple. But if you want to join my course is just down the line. Just click on the first link in the description, pay $30, and then get into the course. Send me an email proof of payment, and then get into the course. All right, I'll give you, it's just something you can learn at your own pace, a recorded set of video tutorials line by line showing you how to trade the spot wallet, the spot trading, how to trade crypto trading on KuCoin, on Binance, and other popular exchanges that you already have access to. Okay, and stop disturbing or worrying the online space about you trying to withdraw from a watch on a wallet. It doesn't work. You can never ever. The more you try to research on how to withdraw from a watch on a wallet, the more you get scammed, because they will keep telling you to pay for one software. Unless you pay, they are not giving you access to it. And when you do pay, that's gone. All right, so see you in my next video. All right, thank you for watching. All right, don't research about how to withdraw from watch on a wallet again. You can never get it, except it's your own watch on a wallet, except it's your wallet. You created it and funded it and created a watch on a wallet out of it. Then, only then, you can recover it. All right, one love, peace.